Yo, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make a simple producer tag that's catchy and rememberable. Alright, first things first, I'm going to show you my producer tag, which is this.
Damn, Unwanted, you went crazy for this one.
Obviously, this is my friend that's a rapper. You know, I actually released an album with him recently, so if you want to check it out, I'll leave it in the description. This is him saying, damn, Unwanted, you went crazy for this one, at the start of the song, and I chopped it up and put some effects on it, and I got this. But obviously you might not have this, so I'm just gonna do it in a vision where you're doing it yourself. You know, you just want to make yourself a tag, so I'm gonna record it myself. So in FL Studio, you go to the mixer, press F9, go to any channel. You know, I'm gonna use 1, go up to here and you select your input. Mine's 1, let's pick yes, and now you can hear yourself. So in the new update you can stop it from monitoring, which is quite useful. You can just say whatever. So I'm gonna be like, hey Unwanted, do you want to cook up? Something simple. We can put it on track 1. It's already on track 1. I like to put in transient. So, hey Unwanted, do you want to cook? Hey Unwanted, do you want to cook up? Just turn it down a little bit. And then actually, before you do all this, let me just add an EQ and just delete some of the lows out. I'm gonna add a compressor just to make it sound a bit more even. We'll glue it together a bit more. You can use any other compressor. I'm just using this one because it's easy to use and works really well on vocals. What I'm looking for is everything is even in the audio file, and something isn't loud and something isn't more quiet. Because if you look here, this is louder than most of it. But if you look on here, hey Unwanted, do you want to cook up? Hey Unwanted is not that much louder than everything, so that means your compressor is working well and it's doing its job. You can just add some effects, so it's pretty simple. You're probably going to want some delay, so we're going to add a delay. Hey Unwanted, do you want to cook up? Hey Unwanted, when you're doing this, you want to select like our region, so when you export it, it will bounce out the delay as well. So it'll be like this. Hey Unwanted, do you want to cook up? Hey, sounds cool. So now I'm going to add some reverb like this. Quickly go here. Hey Unwanted, do you want to cook up? That's sounding alright now. Oh, you can just get creative with it. So once you've got that basis down, so you've got the file you want to affect, and you've got the delay and reverb, you can just do whatever. So I don't know, maybe I can add distortion. Let's see. Hey Unwanted, do you want to cook up? You can even play with the format. So if you go in Stretch Pro and just do this.
Hey Unwanted, do you want to cook up?
You could do something like that. Yeah, just make it personal to you and make it, you know, so it sounds cool to you. I just wanted to show you like the simple basic things on how to make a producer tag. Let me just recap it real quick. So you want to find a sample or record a sample yourself. Once you get it in, just remove some of the lows, because usually it's going to sound better. Just obviously do it by ear. Then add a compressor, compress it, make sure that it's even and it can sound clear. And then a delay and reverb, just to make it sound a bit more full and a bit more cool. And then just some creative effects. So I added distortion. I could definitely fiddle around with this a little bit more and personalize it to me. And how I'd actually do that is, you know, I added the crow sound. So let me find the crow. So I could add a crow right here. Let me add it to 2.
Hey Unwanted, do you want to cook up? Hey Unwanted, do you want to cook up?
I like to add the crow because, you know, I just made the crow my tag back when I started producing, I guess. I don't know. Yeah, I think it just sounds cool. You just line it up, and the final step, you want to pay attention. You want to export it as a wave, press save, and then put it as a wave file. And in FL Studio, you want to pay attention. You want to make sure that you press save tempo information. Okay, and then export it. If I drag it in, it will just automatically stretch to the same amount of bars, so 2 bars. And that's useful for you, and also useful for, you know, say if you're trying to collab with someone and they can just drag in your tag, they don't have to, you know, worry about it. You know, it's pretty simple, just making it easier for people you're trying to collab with. Alright, I hope this video helped. If it did, drop a like, and go watch this video because it's gonna help you make your drums slap. So